वृक्ष ही जीवन। आज विश्व परिवेश दिवस अवसर में 16 नंबर जातीय राजपथ छतिया निकटस्थ गोविंदपुर राजपथ में वृक्षरोपण करा जायथिला। एही कार्यक्रम को NHAI पक्षर वृक्षरोपण करथिबा बेले बहु कर्मचारी जोग देइथिले। सबुज जंगल सृष्टि हेले सबुज परिवेश और सुस्थ सुंदर परिवेश सृष्टि हो पार बोली NHAI जुग्म उपदेष्टा तथा परिवेश और वनीकरण अधिकारी ब्रजनारायण महांती प्रतिक्रिया रही। अन्य वनीकरण कार्यक्रम में NHAI वनीकरण अधिकारी संपद साहू, जंत्री NHAI दिगंबर विश्वाल, प्रोजेक्ट हेड प्रकाश नायक, मुख्य परिदर्शक प्रभात लेंका, NHAI रोड सुरक्षा अधिकारी भावग्राही दास, रोड मेंटेनेंस अधिकारी अपूर्व आदाख समेत क्षेत्रमोहन परिड़ा जोग देइथिले। बर्चणारू कार्तिक चंद्र राउत को रिपोर्ट, न्यूज अभितक।
ब्रजनारायण महांती, मैं जॉइंट एडवाइजर एनवायरनमेंट एंड प्लांटेशन of NHAI. So previously I was a forest officer in Indian Forest Service. I worked all over India, and today is World Environment Day, as you understand, and this is the day all the international consciousness about the environmental protection, forest conservation started, and in Stockholm we took the decision to preserve our forest, environment, oceans, rivers, and all the natural activities have to be promoted. And after more than 72, and this is about 50 years after that, we are again rededicating ourselves to the cause of environment. And in this national highway number 16, you are seeing the group Maple Sri Jagannath Expressway private. Those who are involved in construction and maintenance of this road, they have come up with this green activities, because in the NHAI we have taken the decision to do the green highway, and in taking that message forward, we are planting. This is just a token of exercise to revive our environment, green culture in this part of the road. But all over Odisha, all over India, the same thing is going on in different ways and different manners. I think this will be a big revolution in protection of the environment and forest in all over the country as well as the world. Thank you very much.